I did some of the math, and there is 6 miles of warp and about 5 miles of weft. So there's 11 miles of fabric of yarn involved in the making of this. When I think of it in miles, it always fascinates me way more than in like yards and shit.
This is gonna be kind of cute.
You're about to get weaver porn.
Yeah, and then you get to see the cutting it off. That's a really great thing. I'll just tell you, I'm about to change sheds. Cool.
It works.
Yeah. Do one more advance.
One more advance.
This is long.
Holy shit, I can.
Yeah.
There's no actual knot. They used to tie horses up onto railings with the clove hitch, and the harder it pulled, the tighter the knot got, but one pull sort of on the other side, and it comes out. The clove hitch.
You know, if it gets all ratty, whatever happens, you would just cut it along here.
I wonder what it's like if I wrap it around, where does it drop to is my own
Well, pick
question.
it up and put it around you.
I should do that, right?
That part, use it as the outside, because then you don't see all the strings, and it looks like it's all finished up.
That might be perfect. All right, Barney, so the next class that I need is on how to do this twisted fringe. My first foray into twisted fringe.
You hardly have enough there to just do overhand knots.
Overhand knots, yeah.
And
What does braided versus twisted look like?
you don't want to braid it.
No?
And the only reason I ever braided fringe is because in chenille you can't really twist fringe.
Got it.
You know, it just looks horrible. And the braids look fabulous.
This is twisted.
This is twisted.
Oh,
I mean, you can just sit there and you can wrap them
Yeah, I
around
need-
your finger
need to
like
do-
this.
I
And
need to do twisted fringe.
yeah. You just determine how long you want it to be, and then you have to add, you know, at least a third,
Because it twists up.
because
and-
it gets shorter.
Sure, yeah.
You're gonna take the 7th thread, you're gonna twist those around so that you're gonna take, so that when they pull opposite, they're
Gotcha.
not gonna pull the weaving apart. Right? You got that?
Well, I'm not going to be doing twisted fringe without you for at
Okay.
least the first
Okay.
20 or 30, and then I'll go home and
Yes.
squirrel away.
It's so easy.
It's incredible that it carries all the data, too, from that horoscope. It's wild, the amount of information carried. But when you're twisting them with your hands, do you twist them both the same way?
I don't know, I have to do
You have
it.
to do it.
Give me some string. Same switch. Same switch. Same, and then you have to do one of these knots. So a lot of
Twisting.
times people will knot it at the bottom, and then let it go, and it'll just twist around itself.
Got it.
All right, so give me that little twisty deal.
Weird.
So it just twists around itself. You all know witch's broom, Jacob's ladder, and all those things. I got to be the valedictorian of my junior high school. Not because I was bright, but because of my fabulous string tricks. Witch's broom.
Ah.
Sailor's pants. King's crown. That's always a fabulous finish. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Whoa!